What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be breaking down a 360 wave angles for you so you can, get that pattern going. So the first thing you want to do is locate your crown. This is basically the foundation of the pattern. This is where your hair begins to grow. This is where it starts at. Now this is the starting point for your waves. If your crown is off, your whole pattern could be off. Now in this clip, I'm basically going to begin brushing. So I always start at the back of my head in the middle, and my brush is kind of slanted, not too much, but it's slanted just because where my crown is like centered, it's more to the left, not straight and directly in the middle. So I brush at a slant for that. And just for the record, like as y'all can see just from my pattern, I still got forks myself, so I really haven't touched like that elite status of waving. So yeah, don't take this like as anything like my word is like, I'm just going based off my experience. But anyways, back to the video. So find your crown and then brush away from your crown. And like I said, I always start in the middle, and now I'm working my way around like counterclockwise basically. So then I'm hitting that right angle in the back. So now once you reach this side, you want to kind of angle it diagonally and just brush, diagonally. You don't want to brush straight down. Like I said, if you locate your crown, it's just gonna make everything work better. It's gonna make it easier. It's gonna make everything flow, and you'll get that hand motion real quick. You know what I'm saying? So I think this is a better point of view right here. You can kind of see like I'm tilting it more than I was in the middle. And I'm not sure if people hit this spot really, but I like to make sure it's 8 angles around my head, and this is behind the ear, coming straight down behind the ear. I don't know, it just makes everything flow kind of better. Now we get to that right side temple, and as you can see, I'm brushing from my crown to my temple. This pulls my waves right into my lineup, so when, you get deeper waves, it just looks clean. Now when I reach the top of my head, I'm on the right side, as you can see. Like I said, everything starts from the crown. So I'm just brushing down from the crown. Just brushing down to the right side of my head down. It's really that simple, to be honest. Now we finally get to the center of the head, the center of the top of the head. Now, with me, I slant my brush when I'm brushing the middle part. So in the back, I slant, and at the top middle, I slant. So in the back middle, I slant, in the top middle, I slant. Now, I do this. You don't have to do this, but I do it. Now we get to the left side. You got to kind of treat this like the right side too, because you want to have a kind of mirror effect for both of those sides. Just because, they're basically the same thing. You're basically brushing the same direction on both sides. So make sure you just, doing what you do on the right side, do it on the left side. So now we're just basically coming back around, just like you did the right side. Do it to the left side with this angle too as well. It's really not that hard. It's simple, really. I don't know what else to say about that, but yeah, we just working our way back around. And I feel like the only thing that's going to change really is that, again, for me, because my crown is centered to the left or off-centered to the left, is kind of hitting it different with this angle than the right side of the back of my head. I don't know. It's just kind of different for me. I can't really tell you specifically. I just feel it more so. I can't really explain it. But, yeah, man, y'all just got to locate that crown and just work on brushing away from the crown. You don't need to do too much. Just kind of visualize what kind of pattern you're looking for. And y'all can hear the motorcycles pass. I'm doing this in my whip. But now the last thing, of course, touching your crown. Now I can say that personally, I can't even speak, but ever since I had waves, I never really focused on this. I always kind of avoided it. but I really just started getting into it and looking at other people's waves and seeing how they flow. But I feel like this is a big part of just having waves. This just brings it all together right here. Once you get this down, it just makes it easier. It makes everything flow so much better. And I still haven't gotten it down, but just from what I can see from other people and their pictures, I'm like, damn, I want that. So now I've been working on it, been going crazy. We still got work to do though. You know what I'm saying? I've been using a toothbrush. I don't know how much that's gonna help me. I'm just trying it out. So hopefully we can see what we get from it and then come back and tell y'all. But yeah, that's basically my angles, how I brush every day. Well, I shouldn't say every day because I don't be brushing every day. I need to though. But that's how I brush my angles and my patterning. So hopefully you got something from this video. Hopefully you can take away something and apply it to your routine, your hair. And let's get back to being consistent, man. Not just with videos, but with just brushing. Everybody got to brush, man. It's, you know, that September to December lock-in. If y'all know about it, y'all know about it. But yeah, we got to the end of the year to get right, man. I think we can all just lock in real quick and be consistent. Just focus in on this. Really go crazy. Because my waves are shit right now. I'm going to be honest. Like, they're not looking good. And I hope I can do something about it. I got 3 months to go crazy. Well, 3. No, I got 3. I got 3 months to go crazy. So let's lock in. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. And we're going to see how we looking.